Hey guys, Lynette here, and these are the Boxycharm spoilers for the month of October from my subscription addiction. Definitely make sure you also take a look at the description box because there will be a full list of all the products that are in the spoiler. So let's get into those spoilers. Alright guys, so what did you think of those Boxycharm spoilers for October? Are you excited? Are you not? Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss another spoiler. Have a good day, guys.